Singapore Exchange Limited is a Singapore-based investment holding company that offers a variety of services including securities and derivatives trading. The Singapore Exchange is a member of the World Federation of Exchanges and the Federation of Asian and Oceanian Stock Exchanges. There are 776 listings on the exchange, and they are denominated in both Singapore dollars and US dollars. Out of these listings, 483 are domestic companies, while the rest are foreign companies, with the majority from China. Companies listed on SGX are divided into two categories: those listed on the SGX Mainboard and those listed on the SGX NASDAQ. A firm must meet certain SGX standards in order to be listed on the Mainboard, but a listing on the NASDAQ is not subject to any additional restrictions. Singapore's economy is a well-developed free market economy. The World Economic Forum has classified Singapore's economy as the most open, the third least corrupt, and the most pro-business in the world. Singapore has low tax rates and the world's second highest purchasing power parity per capita GDP. Singapore is the headquarters of the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation. State-owned businesses play a significant part in Singapore's economy, in addition to its business-friendly image. Temasek Holdings, Singapore's sovereign wealth fund, owns majority stakes in several of the country's largest companies, including Singapore Airlines, Singtel, ST Engineering and Media Corp. The Singaporean economy is a significant outflow financier of foreign direct investment. Due to its extremely favourable investment climate and stable political environment, Singapore has benefited from an inflow of FDI from global investors and institutions in recent years. Singapore's position as a regional centre for wealth management, as well as its exports, notably in electronics, chemicals and services. Because water is limited in Singapore, it is considered a valuable resource. Due to the scarcity of fertile land in Singapore, agricultural output is reliant on agro-technology parks. Another critical problem for the Singaporean economy is human resources. With the inclusion of Biopolis, Singapore's economy was placed second overall in the Scientific American Biotechnology ranking in 2014. In the wafer fabrication sector and oil refining, Singapore may be considered to rely on an extended idea of intermediate commerce to entrepot trade by acquiring raw products and refining them for re-export. Singapore has a key port, making it more competitive than many of its neighbours when it comes to doing business. Singapore has one of the highest trade to GDP ratios in the world, averaging about 400%. Singapore's port is the world's second busiest in terms of cargo tonnage. From the 17th to the 20th of August, Singapore will host the World Economic Forum 2021. Singapore has made steps to foster innovation, stimulate entrepreneurship, and retrain its workforce in order to maintain its worldwide status and economic success in the 21st century. In Singapore, there are around 243,000 foreign domestic workers. The main industries are electronics, chemicals, financial services, oil drilling equipment, petroleum refining, biomedical products, scientific instruments, telecommunications equipment, rubber, food and beverages, ship repair, offshore construction, life sciences, and re-exportation. Many major financial experts, economists and politicians believe Singapore to be a worldwide financial centre, with Singapore banks providing world-class corporate bank account services. Singapore was ranked 6th most competitive financial centre in the world and 4th most competitive in Asia in the 2020 Global Financial Centres Index. Multiple currencies, online banking, telephone banking, checking and savings accounts, debit and credit cards, fixed-term deposits, and wealth management services are just a few of the options available. For a variety of reasons, including increased fees placed on Swiss accounts and a weakening of Swiss bank secrecy, Singapore has attracted assets previously held in Swiss institutions. In 2005, Credit Suisse, Switzerland's second largest bank, relocated its head of worldwide private banking to Singapore. The country has been called the Switzerland of Asia as a result of this. Gains from the sale of a home, shares or financial instruments are typically not taxed in Singapore. Gains from dealing in properties may, nevertheless, be taxed. Equity research on Singapore stocks can be done with the Singapore Department of Statistics website. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.